Hi friends, I am Shiva. Today's session we will learn how to use select into class in the PLSQL. In my previous class, we already learned how to write a basics programs in the PLSQL, what kinds of procedures we should follow, we will learn in depthly. But now, today's session, we will learn about a select into class used in PLSQL. Okay, so before that, we should know the select into class, why they introduce of select into class, where we should use of in select into class in the PLSQL program, what is the use of for using select into class in the PLSQL programs. We should learn these three things. By using select, where we should use this select into class in the sense, by using this select into class in the PLSQL program, we should use in the executable session. Okay, we should the select into class in executable session. So then why we should use this select into class? What is the use of that? Why in the sense, by using select into class, whatever the data is available our database, the database we have some values in the tables, correct? From these values are retrieving, then storing into PLSQL variables. Okay, for storing PLSQL variables. Then by using these PLSQL variables, then we will display the data in the PLSQL environments. Okay, for that they introduce of select into class in the PLSQL. Okay, see, what is the main key concept for using select into class in the PLSQL? We should know for that. The main key concept of in the select into class for using in the PLSQL programs, by using select into class in the PLSQL program, we can retrieve in the database. In the database, we can retrieve at a single value only at a time, or entire the row value only we can retrieve, but we cannot retrieve multiple rows and multiple columns. We cannot retrieve by using the select into class. Okay, see, by using, what is the major key concept of select into class used in the PLSQL program? We can retrieve single values and single row by using select into class, but we cannot retrieve multiple values in the column. We cannot retrieve. At the same time, we cannot retrieve multiple rows in the table at a time. Okay, what I told, at a time we cannot retrieve multiple columns, multiple values in the column. At the same time, we cannot retrieve multiple rows in the table at a time. Okay, that is the main key concept of in the select into class. Okay, see, go through that. See, so for using select into class, which syntax we should follow to retrieve the data from the database to storing into PLSQL variables? So for that, what kinds of syntax we should follow? So we should learn here. So this is the syntax for using select into class in the PLSQL program. Okay. So see, this is a select class, select column 1, column 2, column 3, so on, as your wish. How many columns if you want to write, so those many columns you have to write here. Then use of keyword, select into, this is a keyword you can use. Okay, then followed by this PLSQL variable you can mention here how many columns you want to mention here, those many PLSQL variable you should mention here. From which table? From which table you want to retrieving the data, that table name you can mention here. From this table to data will be retrieved from this column, then storing into this variable. See here, for example, the column 1 value you can retrieve from this table, the value will be storing into this PLSQL variable 1. Then the column 2 value, will be storing into the PLSQL variable 2. For example, we have other column, just imagine the column 3, value will be storing into our the PLSQL variable 3. Okay, storing into PLSQL variable 3. Then the condition you can mention. Okay, the condition you can write here. Okay, you can understand as a in depth. So you can follow it, you can observe in this example for select into class. So observe in this syntax, above syntax. So select, this is a select. Okay, then column 1, this is a from the EMP table. Okay, column E name, we have one column name. Then column 2, this is a salary. So I used only 2 columns only. Okay, now this column value will be storing into p underscore e name PLSQL variable. Okay, this value, this is a variable 1, this is a variable 2. Okay, here how many columns you are maintained here, those many variable you should write here, or else the Oracle will be generate errors. Then from, okay, from here, from which table you are retrieving the data, that table name you can mention here. Okay, from the EMP table we have these columns e name and salary. This e name value will be storing into PLSQL variable p underscore e name. The salary value will be storing into p underscore salary. The PLSQL variable will be stored based on the this condition. This is a condition. Okay, this is a condition. E name, from the EMP table we have EMP number column. From the EMP column the EMP number is 7788. Correct? Whoever the 7788 EMP number, the employee name and employee salary will be storing into p underscore e name p underscore salary. Okay, so this is the process to using select into class. Okay, these kinds of process see, observe on the screen. These kinds of process used in the executable session in the PLSQL. Okay. Sorry. Okay, see here we will observe one small program how to. So observe on the screen, select into sorry, here how to use select into class in the PLSQL program. Okay, observe on the screen. This is the declared session. This is the declared session, already you know. This is the executable session. Okay, in this declared session, I declare two variables. P underscore ename, this is a variable name. Okay, varchar2 data type, size 10 is size, data type size. Same as here, P underscore shall, variable name, PLSQL variable name, number data type size, followed by semicolon. This is the declare session. Okay, this is the declare session. I declare two variables. So coming to begin session, in the begin session you should use select into class. The select into class should use in the begin session only. Okay, in this begin session only. See here, this is a select into class, select, okay, ename and shall. I use two columns names. Then I used two variables here, P underscore ename comma P underscore shall. From which table? EMP1 table. Now observe on the screen, the EMP name value will be storing into P underscore ename. The salary value will be storing into P underscore salary based on this condition, where condition. The whoever the employee number is 7788, the employee name will be storing into this P underscore ename PLSQL variable. Then whoever the employee number is 7788, the employee salary will be storing into PLSQL variable P underscore shall. In this PLSQL variable name, the salary will be storing. Okay. So now, if I want to know the value is available or not in the PLSQL variables, if I want to know, you should write this statement. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. By using this statement, we should know whether the value is available or not on the PLSQL variables. So that for the confirmation, I am writing this statement. I am mentioned this here, the PLSQL variables. This is a P underscore ename followed by this concatenation. By using this concatenation, data will be combined, or else the Oracle will be generate errors. So followed by then concatenation, then writing this variable. So this is a variable and this is a variable. So now our program will be end. Then if you want to compile the program, you should followed by this forward slash. Okay. Now I am trying to executing in this program. We will see whether the data will be getting or not. We will see. Copy, simply copy this program. Okay. Go to our tool, paste here. Okay. See here, the Scott, then employee salary. So as per our program, the data will be get or not. The employee name, whoever the employee name is 7788, the 7788 employee number, employee name, the name is Scott. Then salary, the salary is 4500. This Scott name will be storing into PLSQL variable. Our created PLSQL variable will be storing in this name, Scott name. Then whoever the employee number is 7788, the employee salary will be storing into P underscore shall. If you want to know the data is available or not in the PLSQL variables, I am mentioning these statements here. Then I written these two variable names. then data will be displayed in the below session. Scott and salary is 4,500. Even we want to know that one is correct or not. For find that, I am going this EMP table for by passing this employee ID, the data is available or not. This is the correct one or not for the finding purpose. Okay, I am writing here. Select ename commercial from EMP1. I am writing where condition EMP number equal to 7788. So you got ename, whoever the Scott will be displayed. Scott shall 4500. That one is correct. So now by using this select into class, whatever the database table, in the database table, whatever the values you have, the value will be retrieving, then storing into our PLSQL variables. From these variables, data will be displayed in our PLSQL environments if we want to necessary. For that, the introduce of select into class. Okay, see here. So note here. So observe in this here note by using select into class, we can retrieve at a time either single value or entire single row data in the database table. Okay, I already told you. So we can retrieve single value in the column, or else we can retrieve entire the row in the table, but we cannot retrieve multiple column values in the column, and we cannot retrieve multiple rows in the tables. Okay, that is a major key concept in the select into class. Okay, so now we will write some more programs by using select into class. We will understand in depthly. Okay, I am writing some more programs by using select into class. We will know what kinds of procedures we should follow for that. So open that some table, select star from EMP1. Okay, this is the EMP1 table. We have, these are columns. In these columns we have the data. So I am writing one sum of code here by using select into class. We will observe. So now I want to display the ename, job, salary values. I should display in the PLSQL environment by using select into class. You can observe on the screen. I will write some code here. Declare. My task is I want to display these three values: ename, job, shall. These three values I should display in our PLSQL environment. So see, declare. I am creating some variables. Ename, p underscore ename. Okay. Now ename, which data type? Varchar 2. I am giving 10 size data type. The job also p underscore job, which data type? Varchar 2 data type, and size is 10. So now shall is number, so p underscore shall, so that is number data type, because of the all are number values. So that, okay, number, then 10. Okay, now begin. In the begin session I am using select into class. Select, I am mentioning these three columns names first for storing into these PLSQL variables, then only the data will be displayed, or else it's not possible. So that I mention here sorry, okay. Ename, okay. See, now begin, select ename, comma, then job, comma, shall, into, okay, then storing into our PLSQL variable. So now p ename, we can followed by same as, so see, p underscore ename, okay, p underscore job, the data, whatever the job value is available in this as per the condition, the value will be storing into p underscore job. So that I mention here p underscore job. Then shall, what are the shall value is available, the shall value is storing into this p underscore shall PLSQL variable. So that I mention here p underscore shall. From which table we are retrieving? From EMP1 table. So from which employee? I am writing here where condition EMP number. So on which employee? For example 7788 something, 7788 I am retrieving. So now here whoever the employee number is 7788, the employee name, the suitable employee name and job and salary, these three values are storing into our created PLSQL variables. The ename value will be storing in p underscore ename, the job value will be storing into p underscore job. So now the shall value is storing into p underscore shall. These three PLSQL variables are already declared in the declare session. Okay. So now these are the values is available in the this created PLSQL variables. So now I want to know for the confirmation the data is available or not. For the confirmation I am writing here the statement is dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay. Now I am writing here, now I am mentioning the PLSQL variable to display the data p underscore ename, okay, followed by concatenation, or else the Oracle will be generate errors. Okay. If you want to combine the data, you should followed by this concatenation in the PLSQL. Okay. So now another variable name p underscore job. Okay. Okay. Other the last variable name p underscore shall. Okay. Now then end. Our program will be completed. Okay. Now I'm trying to compiling this. So see here. So see here. Okay. So now displayed or not? The score ename is score. So job is analyst, then salary is 4500. So these are the values is available in the PLSQL variables by using select into class. So you can try yourself, you can try to write some of programs by using select into class, then you will understand. So as per that you can write some more programs. So this is a select into class used in the PLSQL. So you will learn in depthly how we can use, what is the use of that one, where we should use the select into class in the PLSQL variables. So we will learn in the next session how to use a attributes in the PLSQL. Okay.